Take a ride in the 2014 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, brake assist, traction control, stability control, tires, rear all-season, 4-wheel disc brakes, wheel covers, front-wheel drive, steel wheels, tires, front all-season. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.